Hello everyone. Welcome to Nimmi Talks, Voice of ITI. I know all of you are probably rushing around, busy with your work, or either returning back home from a busy day of work. Either way, I'm happy you're here. In this fast-moving and modern lifestyle, we're all adapting to match to the current trends. And along those lines, today I'm going to be sharing an interesting yet trendy piece of information. Do you want to guess what it could be? Yes, I'm talking about books. Wait, didn't you guess books? You might be wondering, are you talking about books really? Do you think that's trendy in the 21st century? Before we dive into that, let me introduce myself. I'm Harshi, your RJ for this podcast. Now let's get into this topic. Think about it. A book is just a paper and ink, right? But open it and it's no longer just a book. It's a doorway to skills you have never learned, ideas you have never thought, and worlds you have never seen. It can turn a student into a creator and a learner into a leader. And today, we are stepping through that doorway into the world of books that build skills, shape futures, and open opportunities. Since the day humans discovered writing, they've been trying to record all the information they received. In the past, these records weren't made on paper but were etched into stone inscriptions and palm leaf manuscripts. From those early forms of recording, we now have the modern books, thanks to advancements in technology and the printing industry. Books have always been a powerful tool for us to improve our knowledge. 20 years ago, books were like what Google is to us today. Even though technology now brings everything to our fingertips with AI and all, many of us still fail to gain meaningful knowledge from it. That's why you should start reading at least one page a day. Do you guys read books? How many of you have a practice of reading books? Let me know. Books also help us develop both our thinking and skills. That's why books can be considered as our best friends. After books came into being, the number of educated people have drastically increased actually. Books do play a major role in education, obviously. So shouldn't we learn about who benefits from these books and how? In our previous episode, you remember we spoke about the institution called Nimmi, and in this episode, we are going to be talking about the books that Nimmi developed.
The National Instructional Media Institute is an organization that prepares books and learning materials for students pursuing vocational education like CTS, that is Craftsman Training Scheme, and CITS, Craft Instructor Training Scheme.
It functions under the DGT, the Directorate General of Training, and publishes books based on the DGT syllabus. Currently, Nimmi prepares books for more than 70 trades in around 13 regional languages. These include not just practical, but both practical and theory books. The reason for publishing in regional languages is because when we learn in our mother tongue, it enhances our thinking and understanding capabilities. They are also working on publishing books in even more languages in the future. Efforts are being made to expand book availability to even more trades. The content is prepared with collaboration of subject matter experts, industrial professionals, and the ITI staffs. One of the special and exciting features of these books are the QR codes embedded in it. These books have QR code embedded in it, which, if you scan, the students can watch blended learning content videos related to the course. That is, say you're studying an exercise and then you quite don't understand the topic. You can simply scan the QR code and watch the entire video of that exercise. As the famous Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar once said, "The wealth of knowledge heard is the greatest wealth among all wealth." The first thing to spread widely in this world was spoken information. This podcast is to bring to your ears the effort and dedication behind the Nimmi books and their commitment to education. So open your ears, listen to educational content and share it with others. In the next episode, we'll see how to access these books and benefit from them. Until then, goodbye.